Here's the next step for Career Week for Week 6 for English class. So today I want to show you Wednesday and Thursday. My last video went over Monday and Tuesday. So you should have already completed the survey and put your top 3 matches in these boxes. And of the top 3 matches, you select one of the top 3 and fill out these 7 questions about that career. Today's slide is all about you. What do you want to do? Directions. Today you're going to tell me a little bit about what type of career you would like to choose and why. Today is all about you and not necessarily what the survey told you. So if you already had a career in mind, this is your day. If you didn't have a career in mind, then pick at least a career that seems interesting to you to fill out these 5 questions. When I think of a career path after high school, I want to be, and you're going to type in your career there. So you're just finishing these sentences. The reason I choose that career is because, and just finish off the sentence. In order to reach that goal, the highest level of education I would need is, and you insert the type of degree. So you might want to go to Google and search your career to see the highest level of education if you don't already know that. And also, what are some skills and qualifications I will need? So you want to look for some skills and qualifications for that career. I think it's important to set goals because, and finish that sentence. It is important to set goals so you know what path you're on, so you have some motivation to achieve something. Setting goals is important. So here again, use the internet to help search any information that you need for a career that you're interested in that may have not been on the list. Then for Thursday, let's take a look at what's on there. So for Thursday's work, the directions are you're going to watch a few videos about different careers. After watching the videos, type a summary reflection about which video or career interests you the most and explain why. So you're going to watch all 3 videos. Game developer, the founder of Tom's Shoes, and a firefighter. So watch those videos first, and then you're going to write a summary of which one interests you the most and why. So the first video is about a game developer, and you get to look and see what it's like to be a video game designer. This boy, who's 10 years old, he met this guy named Craig Allen, a video game developer who's responsible for creating the original Call of Duty. Have you heard of that game? So he's going to talk about the cool things he's done with the video game industry, as well as skills, passion, and talent it takes to make it in the game business. So you can watch this video and learn about being a game designer. The second video is to watch about this boy Blake is the founder, or not this boy, he's not the founder. He interviews the founder of Tom's Shoes. Have you heard of Tom's Shoes before? So this video is about interviewing Blake Makowski, the founder of Tom's Shoes. And this is the 14-year-old boy who interviews them. And he talks about how what's interesting about Tom's Shoes is that they have donated more than 60 million pairs of shoes around the world with the 1-for-1 program. So if you bought a pair of Tom's, they donated a pair to someone else in need. So students will learn about passion, drive, and individuality necessary to be an entrepreneur, like a businessman. And so you'll learn about that in this video as well. So that's a video about Tom's Shoes. And then the final video is learning about being a firefighter. So let me get this one going. So this girl here, she did an interview with Danae Cotton. I think that's how you say her name. Has a dream of being a firefighter. As one of the only female members of the London Fire Brigade, Danae has both lived a dream and overcome the many challenges of being a woman in a male-dominated workplace. Yeah, so that is unusual. You don't really see a female as a firefighter. This story would inspire your students to think differently about grit and persistence it takes to pushing when the odds are against you. So this girl, Jody, is going to interview Danae about her experiences in being a firefighter, a female firefighter. So very interesting. So you have 3 videos to watch and then write a summary about. Okay, so for the Thursday slide, you're going to, after watching the videos, you're going to write a summary reflection about which video or career interests you the most and explain why. So pick one of the 3. You have to choose from those 3 which interests you the most. For me, I think I was most interested in the Tom's video, but I liked that female firefighter too. But I might say something like this. So you might start with the topic sentence. The video about the Tom's shoe entrepreneur interests me the most. First, I was interested because I myself own a pair of Tom's shoes. Next, I liked the career because, and then finally, I liked this video because. So come up with 3 reasons why that was interesting to you and then explain why. So she says 4 to 6 sentences. So if you follow this pattern, a topic sentence, a first, next, finally, that gives you 4 sentences. You can add a conclusion. In conclusion, these career videos were all interesting, but I liked the one about Tom's shoes the best. So that's all you're doing actually for the week. That wraps everything up. So once you have everything completed, you did your survey and your top 3 careers were on slide 3. You answered the questions about one of those 3 here. You did your sentence, finished off these sentences about a career that you were interested in, watch the videos, and write a summary. Then make sure you submit your slides so we can grade them. And that's it for the week.